Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the thumbstick tension on their Xbox Elite controller too? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate key. Locate the small silver circular key included with your Xbox Elite controller 2 package. Step 2. Insert key. Insert the key into the top of a thumbstick you wish to adjust. Step 3. Increase tension. Rotate the key clockwise to increase the tension for a stiffer thumbstick movement. Step 4. Decrease tension. Rotate the key counterclockwise to decrease the tension for a more relaxed thumbstick feel. Step 5. Adjust both sticks. Repeat the process for the other thumbstick, ensuring both sticks are adjusted to your preference. By following these steps, you should be able to easily adjust the tension of your thumbsticks to your liking. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Microsoft users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.